Encourage millions, where our mission is to make affordable housing and home ownership education accessible to you in an easier way. So today I want to give you a 2024 updated version of a video I previously did where I was showing you how you can apply for tax delinquent property and land in the state of Alabama. So this is the 2024 updated version because the county of Birmingham, Jefferson County in Birmingham, Alabama, has actually updated their tax assessor site. So I wanted to get you all a new video to show you exactly how you can go about navigating that site as well. So I'm going to start over and show you another property that is less than $600 this time. And I'm going to show you how you can go about applying for that property and how you can do your research as well. So you're going to go to revenue.alabama.gov. This link will be in the description box below. And as usual, you want to make sure that you read this section up top because it tells you how long you have to remit your payment after applying. I also want to add that in the state of Alabama, tax properties have become high in demand. So there may be a lot of individuals applying for the same properties. The way that you can check on your property is to email the county or reach out to them. Well, the state, you can reach out to them after you apply. Maybe give them about 2 weeks or so before you go about reaching out to them. But you can reach out to them and ask and find out exactly where you are in line with the property that you have applied for. Now, the way that you go about navigating this site, you can search for properties two ways. You can go here and click on this link here, or you can pull up the PDF transcripts for that county. So for the purpose of this video, I am doing Birmingham, which is in Jefferson County, because they have a lot of abandoned properties, a lot of land, a lot of homes that have been torn down, and now the land is available for sale. Now, keep in mind that these transcripts could be hundreds of pages long. So for the purpose of this video, I have already went to the transcripts, clicked on the link, and I found a potential property that went up for tax sale in the year 21 for $156.47. Now, that is not how much the property is going to be worth now. That is not how much it's going to be. This is how much it was when it went into the tax sale. It was $156 then. We're in the year 2024, so I'm about to show you how you can find out exactly how much this property will be when you get ready to remit your payment for it, okay? So we found this particular property here, which is $156.47. It went into the tax sale in the year 2021, and this is the parcel number as well as the owner's name. Now, what you want to do is now go to Jefferson County's site. They have updated their site. It is amazing now. It is awesome. Make sure that you go check it out. And so, for the purpose of this video, you're going to go to Real Property Search. And when Real Property Search comes up, now, instead of you having to remember that individual's parcel ID, you can actually put in their name. And I'm going to click here on this one just because that was exactly what is stated on the tax transcript. But I want you to keep in mind of the parcel ID number because that is how you will identify exactly what parcel you're looking at. So we're going to go back to the tax transcripts. And as you can see, the parcel ID number ends with 70001. We're going to go back to the county site. And as we can see, that property is here. It's already noted that it's in the tax sale. And we're going to click here to view details. So the property address is going to be here, and the mailing address is going to be the mailing address of the current owner. Now, this is going to tell you everything about the property that you need to know. Right now, the property is appraised at $10,600. If you pay attention to this and look, you will see that the total improvement value is at $0. The land value is at $10,600. That potentially means that if this is at $0, that means that the property is potentially torn down and it's just land only. And as you can see right here, the back taxes are at $554 and the grand total is $554. What I'm going to show you now is how you can go back over here to the tax site and you can apply for this property. So we're going to go to search tax delinquent properties. And this time we're going to put in the owner's name. And we're going to do a quick search. If it is available, it will come up for you to be able to apply. And it is available. So you will click here on the CS number. And everything will come up that you need to know. Keep in mind that you need to use an email address that you check often. Please make sure you use an email address that you check often. And make sure that you add this particular email address to your contacts so that it does not go to spam. You want to also make sure that you are completely confident in the name that you will be applying under, because this is the name that your tax certificate or your tax deed will be issued. So make sure that if you are experiencing a certain situation, such as going through a divorce and you may change your name, just keep in mind that will affect this. It's simple to get it changed, but just think of that up front. If you know that you want to put it in the name of an LLC, make sure that you put the correct spelling as well here. You're going to enter your email address, the address where you would like to receive your tax deed, because they will mail your tax deed, or your information from applying. You want to make sure that you put an address that you will have for the rest of this year, honestly. And you want to put a valid telephone number in case they need to reach you. And once you put all of that information in, you're going to click on submit, and they're going to provide you with a confirmation number. This is the most simplest way to apply for properties in the state of Alabama. And like I showed you, this particular property is for less than $600 currently. So keep that in mind. If you would like to just look around the tax transcripts and look for properties ahead of time that may benefit your budget, please be able to do that. And once again, I hope this video was helpful. I'm sorry for the delay. Please let me know in the comments what other videos that you would like to see pertaining to affordable housing and home ownership. Thank you for supporting Encourage Millions. And please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, but most importantly, share with someone that may benefit from this information. Thank you.